Dan Deming at KKM Financial joins us now, and we are off to a fresh new quarter, a fresh new month, and a fresh new week. So great to have you here.
Never going down again, Ange.
Stock market's never going down again. I love it.
It's April 1st.
It's totally April Fool's joke.
Right,
you got us on that one. All right, let's take a look at the market, though, because things have not been that shabby.
They have been very good for the first quarter, and now we're heading into a second quarter. But yeah, nice recovery from Q4 of 18. Most of the major averages up very strongly, led by the NASDAQ up about 17%, but the S&P up over 12%, the Russell up about 15%, and the Dow, I believe, is up around 10% as well. So a nice, strong run up for all the major averages. Now it's going to be incumbent upon the market to kind of maintain this momentum as we move into earnings season.
I'm glad that you mentioned the NASDAQ because the FANG names did catch a bid here.
They did. They had a nice recovery, and it is interesting because of the dynamics. And really, we saw this sector rotation in that first quarter, Angie. Now the banks really kind of let us out of the hole in January.
That was another good sector.
But now, because of the change in the rate trajectory and the Fed narrative, the banks really, sold off here at the end of the quarter. So we're not seeing the financials leading so much anymore. But now it's being picked up by some of the tech names, and as you pointed out, the FANG names kind of catching a bid here.
So what would be your trader trick so people do not get fooled into bad trades?
Well, one trick I think that you can definitely point at here, Angie, is the herd mentality. And we're seeing the tech sector being in favor right now. And again, they're not as exposed, I should say, to the interest rate environment, but they also are counting on the fact that China-U.S. is going to continue with the trade negotiations. So you're seeing a nice run there. The banks are out of favor right now because of the current rate trajectory. But again, a lot of times when you see those out of favor, they have a tendency to come back into favor as the dynamics in the market shift.
So don't get fooled just because people are selling a sector off.
Exactly, yeah. Definitely, do some research and look into the underlying reasons why and then kind of analyze those.
Well, happy April Fool's Day to you.
Well, thanks for having me on, Angie.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.